In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new motorcycle listing on Facebook Marketplace using Google to simplify your journey. We'll break this down step by step to ensure it's smooth and straightforward, even if you're new to selling on Facebook Marketplace. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and type Facebook Marketplace into Google. It's a quick search and you'll see a link to the Marketplace site. Click on it and this will take you directly to the Facebook Marketplace homepage. It's a bustling place for buying and selling various items, from furniture to vehicles and everything in between. Now that you've reached Facebook Marketplace, look for the Create New Listing option. It's usually at the side of your screen. Click on this to start setting up your listing. This initial step is vital because it sets the foundation for your sale, serving as the starting point for the details you'll soon share about your motorcycle. Next, you'll see a few options such as items for sale, vehicle for sale, and more. Since we are listing a motorcycle, click on the vehicle for sale option. This category is specifically designed for automobiles, and you'll find it simplifies the process by tailoring the form to gather all essential details for vehicles. Once you've selected vehicle for sale, you need to specify the type of vehicle. Find the list and select motorcycle. By doing this, you ensure that potential buyers who are specifically looking for motorcycles will be more likely to notice your listing. Now it's time for the details. This might be one of the most critical parts of your listing. Type in all the appealing details about your motorcycle. Start with the basics like the make, model, year, and mileage. Then add some standout features that could attract buyers. Maybe it has a new set of tires, a recent maintenance check, or some unique add-ons. Make sure your description is both accurate and enticing. After you've filled in all the information, you're ready to move forward. Click on the Next button. This usually takes you to a review screen where you can double check all the information you've input. It's always a good idea to confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding. Finally, once you've reviewed your listing and everything looks perfect, hit the Publish button. And there you have it. Your motorcycle listing is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to be seen by potential buyers. Congratulations. You've just taken a big step towards selling your motorcycle, making the most out of the digital tools at your disposal. Remember, a good listing is not only about reaching the audience, but also about connecting with exactly the right buyer. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.